Hello, let me go over how you can use the Z table. Um, there are two way we look at the Z table. First of all, the Z or normal curve is a symmetric curve and which the center is 0. To left of that curve, you have value 0, and to the right of that, you have the positive value. So uh, let me draw that and show you. This is our bell shape, the normal distribution. The center is 0, and here is all your z value positive and all z value negative. That's the table is being created, and the whole area under this table, this curve is 1. So let's look at some of the so you can find from this table, you can find either the area or the value of z corresponded to the area. So let's look at some of the example and see what we can look at. Let's say we want to do probability z. We have the value of z, which is 1.96. We wanted to find the area. So basically what we are asking here is positive or value is 1.96, and we wanted to find the area to left of this value, this area. Remember, this whole area is 1, so we want to find this area I highlighted for you. So the way you do it, there is the Z table has several column and rows. The first column is your Z value, and the first row is the second digit of that Z value, and the rest is your area under under the curve. So we want a 1.96. We find the value 1.9, and then 6 is in the row here. The intersection gives us the value for the area under curve, which is 0.975. So therefore, the area basically is 0.975. Now, sometimes we want to find the area between two values. Let's say we want to find the area between negative 1.2 and 1.96. Basically, you can write, let me show you in the plot. So that means this is the area we wanted to find. Negative 1.2 and between 1.6. So basically this the red area. I am interested in this red area between this is the area. Now from table we find already the area to yellow, right? So was 0.975. If we subtract the area to left, one point negative to my blue area, then I can find this area. So that's basically I done that. Probability z less than 1.96 minus probability z less than negative 1.2. I find those two areas. That would be the area between those two values. So we already find 1.96. Negative 1.2 and zero's intersection, the value is negative, it's 0.1151, which I wrote it here, 0.151. So the difference would be the area between those two values. Now, sometimes you have the area you want to find the z1, the z value. Let's say we have 0.95, we want to find the z value. That's basically what we are saying here. Let me draw again another. So we know this is our area. We know this is 0.95. What we wanted to find, what is our value here? So what you do, you go to the Z table, find the area 0.95. If you look at it, we don't have exact 0.95. we have 0.495 and 0.505. The first digit, the value is 1.604, between 1.604 and 1.605. So what you can do, you basically can take the average of those two values, and that would be the area, the z value for that area, which would be 1.645. So the z table you're going to use in confidence interval for proportion, and hypothesis testing for proportion, and also for means when we have our variance or sigma square is known for that population. Usually what we want for confidence interval, we say 95% confidence. That means you want to find the z value, which we already did here, 1.645 would be the value. So, and you use that for your confidence interval, and hypothesis testing, depending one side or two side. Again, based on the alpha given, you can find the z value as critical value. You can test against your z statistics. So basically, this table is very simple to use, and there are two applications of use. One, we can find the area, or when we have the area, we can find the z value. I hope this helped you to understand how to use the z table.